This is Churro. This is the horse that's going to be coming up for sale. This is the first time that I've ridden him since he has come back. I had him in training a year or so ago. For I think a month or two, I don't remember exactly. There might be some things that I need to work on now. But overall, he wasn't too bad before. He was a little heavy on his front end. And I got that started. Don't know if that's back a problem or not, but we'll see. See if he stands the block for me to get on. He just came here yesterday, but he has been here before. He was here before this covered arena was put in, before this arena was covered. He is. I have not measured him. I'll try to remember to measure him when we go back in there. He's not that big. I'm guessing maybe 14 hands. I put this heavy snaffle bit on him for today. I might change that in the next ride or two, but we'll see. Today I really just wanted to get on him, see what he was, and see what I had to start with. Let you see what he was. He is, I don't remember if I said his age, he's somewhere around 6 or 7. He could use a little bit of work on his neck rein. It's kind of there. I think maybe it's might be more there than it seems. He's just kind of looking around. See what we got for a trot. I can feel his gait changing. We talked about this before. He'll give me a couple kind of hard steps, and then it'll soften up and get better. I bet after he gets warmed up, his trot will get okay. I don't know that he'll have a real smooth trot. It's starting to settle down. Not terribly bad. Just about what I'd want if I was working some cows. Let's see what an extended trot is like. Not too bad. Might show some versatility ranch horse. We'll see. Shut that gate down there for me, please. I'll pull a cow out. See if he'll let me open this gate. Not a very easy gate to open because it's actually a panel that I have to pick up and move. Let's see what he does. Trying to get a little bit of side passing, more backed up. When you go over to the gate, not really telling me no. I think he's more just confused than anything. There we go. Good boy. You can take one step. I know it's narrow. One step. There we go. Don't go through yet. There we go. I know I have pushed cows around with him before. So I knew he would not be too terribly afraid of them to begin with. Just get something out there to push around. Kind of handy little horse. I am pretty sure he hasn't done anything like this since I had him last year. Push some cows around. See if I can push cows around without pushing them onto my camera. Not ready to go show cow horse or anything, but he's definitely interested. He does what I ask him to do. Let's go over here. I don't know that I've ever pulled a log on him before. Let's see what happens. Don't know till we try. If he starts to worry, then we'll know we need to go work on it. Okay. Don't seem too terribly concerned about it. I always start by walking a couple of circles over the rope. I don't ever dally when I first start doing this. I just kind of loop it once around the rope so that I can let go if I need to. We'll see what happens. Put a little pressure on it, make it move. Don't seem too concerned about it. Looks like a Versatility Ranch trail horse to me. Thinking I probably did this with him when I had him before. I don't remember. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna go pick up a rope off a wall and see if he'll let me swing a rope off of him. I want to try all these things just so I can see what he seems to be good at. Kind of like giving a horse their ASVAB test. See what they're going to be, what they're going to excel in. There we go. Get over here away from this wall. I'll see about building a loop. I want to make sure that I always stay in a position where I can get rid of whatever I'm handling. That's why I drug the log the way I did to start with. I knew I could get rid of it quick. I want to make sure that I can get rid of this rope quick if I need to. We broke the rope. See what happens if I throw at one of these cows. Now, don't judge my roping skills. I am not a roper. If I catch, it'll surprise me more than anybody else. Knocked him in the head. Try one more time. It's not really, catching would be nice. It's not really about catching, it's about seeing what the horse can do. I know I can't rope. Well, he'll break away. All right, so this is Charo. I'll make a playlist up here so you can see his videos. He will be coming up for sale. I don't normally do any buying and selling, but I knew this was a nice horse and he just wasn't fitting what the owner was trying to do with him. So see if we can find him a good home that'll do what he is good for. If you're interested in him, contact me, either message me or email me. And I hadn't decided on a price yet. I really wanted to kind of see what he was first. If you're on YouTube, I'll put a link up here so you can see his playlist. Facebook don't really let me do that, but YouTube does. This is Charo. Until next time, thank you for watching.